A little over a year ago, this R1 came into my life. An R1 with high mileage, beaten up exhausts and missing badges. But the truth was, its story was just beginning. With a beautiful soundtrack and a ton of potential, our journey kicked off attempting to capture the Big Bang soundtrack as professionally as I knew how. Thrown into the deep end right away, getting smoked out purely to justify my need to photograph my bike. The exhausts did indeed need to be fixed, so back to stock it was while the repair took place. And as it turns out, one stock exhaust weighs as much as the bike itself. Mismatched R1 decals were replaced with some much needed white accents. More photos were taken abusing yellow water barriers in the process, and it made hack after hack after hack. The beast of a motor forced me into giving earplugs a try with its infinite deafening explosions. And an OCD Anonymous group meeting was held where I attempted to justify my need for an R1. The anatomy of a sport bike was explored piece by piece. Life's greater meaning and speeding were contemplated deeply. Anywhere and everywhere was ridden, whether it was or wasn't allowed. Suspension settings were altered to help the extra horses handle better. R1 aromas were enjoyed time and time again. Overheating prevention measures were sought due to its never-ending heat buildup, and it made hack after hack after hack. Strange Big Bang R1 part names were appreciated. Turns out, riding a motorcycle really does get my heart rate up. And now, I have proof. A defenseless little scooter was compared to the beast. Naturally, the best possible cleaning kit was assembled to get it as clean as could be. 42 years of bad luck were risked just to get some more rooftop photos. Her services were employed to test out Kevlar riding jeans. The ridiculousness of gear when off the bike was contemplated. Uncontrollable sneezing was experienced. Selling the bike was proposed, and it made hack after hack after hack. A mode was abandoned in favor of standard. A ride was ridden purely in first gear. The stock toolkit's limits were put to the test. Her services were recruited once again to test action cameras. Daily stalking took place like crazy. And that was the perfect year with my high mileage R1. Not a bad first R1 after all.